video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I consider the laziest way to make money online, even if you're a complete beginner. If you're looking to earn $100 per day, definitely this video is for you. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So this is something that you're interested. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm actually updating my channel pretty consistently, and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you what I consider the laziest way to make money online. I have to be clear with you guys. This is not something magical that is going to happen overnight. Okay. First of all, you need to watch your entire video. And most importantly, you need to be consistent with the implementation. By the way, guys, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description, okay? There, you're going to find what I consider my number one recommendation to make money online. With that said, I'm going to show you everything here step by step so you can start earning money if this is what you are actually looking for. By the way, guys, I'm going to show you some proof that this actually work because this is something that I have been doing for quite some time. And I have to tell you that when I got started, I had two full-time jobs. So definitely super busy. I was not looking for a third full-time job. I was looking for something that can help me earn money in a passive way, but in a smart way. So if you're not looking for something like working hard, but working smart, definitely you need to pay attention to this. Here you're going to see some income proof. For example, here we have $27. Okay, here you also have $100, $23, 23, 248, 100, 9, 26, 100, 26, and so on. So this is something that it has helped me earn money online. But again, you need to be consistent with the implementation. It is simple. Yes, it is something that I consider that everybody can do. And it is lazy because on the long run, you're going to be earning passive income. Okay. So which are the criteria that we're going to take into consideration here? First of all, we don't want or we don't need to be an influencer. Okay. That's something actually really important. We don't want or we don't need to be an influencer. Okay. So you don't need to worry about having a huge following. Okay. Another point is that we don't want or we don't need to create our own product or service. Okay. That's something important. We don't want to waste time on that because it takes a lot of time and a lot of effort in order for you to create a product. I can tell you that I tried myself when I had these two full-time jobs that I mentioned. It took me 6 months to create a product and I got zero sales. Okay. Plus the fact that when someone purchased, you need to understand that you need to deal with customer service, tech support. We don't want that. Okay. We don't want to have to spend a bunch of money in ads. Okay. This is something that you are not going to be investing money on ads. Okay. And make sure of that. Okay. Also, no need to have a large amount of starting capital. Okay. I know that there is a lot of things out there that you can actually need to invest. And then your profit margin is really, really small. I'm talking about like maybe your profit it's 10%. Maybe your profit it's gonna be like 20% and so on. So we don't want to actually have with that. Okay. Something really important is that we want to make sure that this is something that is going to be evergreen. Okay. We want to make sure that this is something that is going to be evergreen. So that means that we're going to be doing the work once and it's going to be helping us earn money for years to come. Okay. Remember what I told you at the beginning? I had two full-time jobs, so I didn't have too much time. Okay. So that's one of the things on the criteria that I actually take into consideration. So what is the best way? It's called affiliate marketing, okay, with evergreen content. With affiliate marketing, you don't have to worry about creating a product or a service. And with evergreen content, you don't have to be worrying about creating content every single day because you're going to have the opportunity to have content that you create today and it's going to be there for years to come. Okay. It's going to be there for years to come. So with affiliate marketing, you can promote your favorite product, your favorite service in exchange of a commission. You don't have to deal with customer service, tech support, and all that stuff. And you can promote as many products as you want. They can be what we call low ticket. So you're earning a small commission. It can be a product up to $100. It can be a high ticket product in which you're going to be earning $1,000 in commission or more. Okay. We have also recurring commission. So that means that you actually refer one person once. Like if you recommend that person to go to the the internet provider, okay, and you are going to be earning money for the years to come. Okay. And as I mentioned before, with the evergreen content, you don't have to be worrying about creating content every single day. And you don't have to be worried about dealing with the algorithm that today you have a video that went viral or something that went viral and then on the next day it died. Because this is content that is going to be working literally for years to come. Okay. So which are the top niches that you can actually choose from? Okay, the top three niches on the internet, and by no means I means that these are the only niches that you can go ahead and you can promote, but the top three are health, wealth, and relationships. Those are the top three niches. Okay, so that means that people are looking to solve a problem, and that's the reason why they are looking to earn for, a commission. But I do have friends that they promote mattress. Yeah, you hear it right, mattress. That's their thing. That's something that they feel passionate about. So I suggest you to go down and have like a sub niche. Okay. And please make sure that you have some kind of knowledge on the topic that you're going to be um, recommending products from. Okay. You don't need to be an expert, but at least you need to have some ideas of what, you're going to be talking about. Where you can find products to promote? Well, you can find them on ClickBank. The page is actually here loading. This is actually a marketplace that has been around for a really long time. You can also go to Commission Junction or CJ.com. This is another marketplace that has been around for quite some time. As you can see, here they have their stats. Also, you can go with Digistore 24. This is the one that I'm going to be using in this training. Okay, Digistore 24. You're going to notice that here in the marketplace, you can promote as many products as you want, okay, on different topics. These are the products that they do have right now. For example, we have this one that paid on average 44.83 per sale because people are earning 75%. Okay. We have this other one in which people are earning 74.32. Okay, so we have also physical products. Here we have, for example, this one with Moringa, this supplement. Okay, 145. So if you get one sale for this product, it's already over $100. And this is actually on the health niche. Okay, this is actually on the health niche. Okay, but we have more things that we can actually promote here. Okay, so now you know about the niches. Now you know a little bit more about how you're going to find a product that you can promote. Now you're going to go and you're going to find the top YouTube channels because we're going to find the popular videos on your niche. For example, here I put, I did a quick search, for example, on the finance niche, and I have these really popular channels. For example, I have this one, Humphrey Yan. Okay. I have this other one here, freecodecamp.org, Andrew Cartwright. Okay. So you can see that I can actually find really good information, okay, here on based on the fact that this is going to be about finance, okay? So now I have the best channels, okay? And here on channels, let's say that we're going to go, okay, let's say that we're going to go with the first one, okay? This one, the Home for Yen, okay? I'm going to open it. And this is a cool thing that YouTube has right now is that we can make a quick search. Okay, we can make a quick search on popular videos. Okay, we can make a quick search on popular videos. You can click here on videos. I know that right now we have shorts, but we're going to focus on videos. Okay, and you can click here where it says popular. So you know that these people are actually enjoying this content. Okay, so these are the videos that you're going to replicate. You can actually put them on a Google Doc. Okay, and you're going to make sure that you're going to be talking about things that are evergreen. For example, here, this guy, the most popular video is a video that he actually published 2 years ago. Right now, he's getting like 37 views per hour. Okay. And sorry, 45 views per hour here, 45 views per hour. And the reason why is he's telling people literally the number one well killer. Okay. The number one well killer. So it's an evergreen topic. So for years to come, for 2 years, by the time recording this video, people are actually looking for this information. Okay. Now, this is a process that you need to follow. You need to create a video. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. There is already videos that are performing extremely well, as you notice. So you're going to, you're going to add your own spin. Okay. You can record the video with OBS if you're looking for a free solution. In my case, I actually use Camtasia. Okay. You can optimize it. You can do the SEO optimization when you are uploading. You're going to add your link, and chances are that you're wondering, like, okay, how or where do I add my link? This is me talking based on my experience. I have my affiliate link on the description and on the pinned comment. Okay. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell. And remember that if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first in the description. In my case, I do not just upload my affiliate link, but I also have something what is called a sales funnel, in which I'm literally capturing people name and email so I can follow up with them if they are interested on the niche, so I can promote more products in the future. So this is something that you literally create one, and it's going to be there working for you. The system is going to be working there as well. By the way, I'm using a tool that it's called System.io. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can actually take a look and you can actually open a free account. Okay. My suggestion is, like, when you're getting started, upload 3 videos per week. So in 1 year, you're going to have 144 videos. And if you get on average, okay, if you get on average 1,000 views per video, okay, that's 144,000 views, okay, per month, because at the end of the year, you're going to have, if you're consistent, and this is something that every network rewards is consistency, you're going to have 144,000 views per month. So per month, let's say that you are getting 1%. Okay, 1% of the people actually make the purchase. Okay, so minus 99%. So this is the amount of sales that you're going to get on average. Let's say of the products that we promote, you're promoting, a product that on average maybe it's paying you $50. So this is the amount of money that you're going to be earning per month. But remember, if you are consistent, if you are actually taking action, okay, I know that at the beginning it's going to be hard to do, but you can also outsource this in the future. Literally, you can go to Fiverr and you can find people who can do the scripts, who can do the voiceovers, who can illustrate the videos, who can do actually the thumbnails and all this stuff. So it's not that you're going to be doing this forever and you're going to have everything that you need, but you need to give yourself the opportunity to literally take action. And remember, if I was able to make it happen when I have two full-time jobs and I was able to replace two full-time jobs, there is no reason why you're not going to be able to do it. You just need to have a commitment with yourself. You just need to have a commitment with your success and things are going to go. Okay. Things are going to go. And remember, with the opportunity that you have, that you're going to have a system that is going to be working 24/7 and you're going to have a traffic source that's literally it's evergreen. Okay. Have a high potential to earn money online. And I can tell you guys that at the beginning, it's going to be hard. Okay. But with practice, it's going to be way faster. Literally, you can do one YouTube video or the 3 YouTube videos that you need in just one day. So the opportunity is here for you if you want to take it. So I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.